Hi children, good morning. Today I am going to explain area of rectangle. Okay. Yesterday exercise 10.2 completed. This month I sent in WhatsApp group solutions. You have to verify your answer and WhatsApp answers. And see here next concept, area of a rectangle. Okay. See here, area of rectangle, complete area, okay, length into breadth. Understand? Formula is there, area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. This one you have to note this point first. Okay. You have already learned in 5th standard area of rectangle, perimeters, area, okay. Formula you know that area of a rectangle equal to, once again you have to read this one, area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Okay, note that point first. Okay, next, first we have to write heading and after we have to write formula. Okay, next one, area of a square. See here children, area of a square, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perimeter means surface. Okay, area means inner. Okay, inner side surface. Okay, see children, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perimeter of a square is 4 into side, but area of a square is square into square. Understand? Side into side. Understand? Okay, see here children, formula is there, area of a square equal to side into side. Okay, or side square. Understand? Note this point. Okay, area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth, area of a square equal to side into side. Understand? Okay, based on that formula, two formulas, some examples are there. See here children, example 13. Okay, find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. Area of a rectangle formula already we know that one. Okay, whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. Solution, first data you have to write what they are given, first that one you have to write and apply suitable formula and solve. Okay, next solution, see here children, length of a rectangle equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, breadth of a rectangle equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, what they are asking, find the area of a rectangle, that formula you have to practice. Okay, see children, what is the formula of area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Okay, length they given 12 centimeter, you have to put that value, and breadth equal to 4 centimeter. 12 centimeter into 4 centimeter, 40, 12 fours are 48 square centimeter. This unit is area unit, square centimeters. They suppose they given meter is there, square meter you have to write. But perimeter unit centimeter, meter, okay. But here area unit square centimeter or square meter, okay. Okay, example 14. Find the area of a square plot of side 8 meter. Okay, they given one side. Okay, you know that one. First, area of the square. Remember, area of a square equal to side into side. Okay, what they are given first way to write? Side of the square equal to 8 meter. Okay, next, what they are asking? Area of the square equal to side into side. 8 meter into 8 meter. 8 8s are 64 square meter. Square meter. That one must and should you have to write unit also. Okay. Remember that one. Understand? Okay. Example 15. See here children. The area of a rectangular piece of a cardboard is 36 square centimeter. They given area area of a rectangle. Okay. How much? 36 square centimeter, and its length is 9 centimeter. Length is 9 centimeter. What is the width of the cardboard? They given area and length. We have to find width or breadth. Okay, first you have to write what they given, what they asking. You have to write first. Okay, area of the rectangle equal to 36 square centimeter and length equal to 9 centimeter. Width question mark. What they asking? What they given? Area of a rectangular. What they asking? Rectangle width. Okay, next formula you have to apply. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth or width. Okay, width equal to, they asking width. Width as it is you put, and area of a rectangle, this one comes this side, dividing. Width equal to area divided by length. Area they given 36 divided by length 9 centimeter. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. 4 centimeter width. Thus the width of the rectangular cardboard is 4 centimeter. Understand this problem? Okay. First to practice formulas. Okay. First practice formulas. After you have to solve example 13, 14, 15. 3 examples. Okay. If any doubt ask me. First we have to write formula. Area of a rectangle and area of square. Okay. After tomorrow I am going to explain. I explain example 16 and 17 and exercise. Okay, today practice formula and this 3 examples. Okay, thank you.